Yes, hello Rachel. I was calling, my RV is there. I was just seeing where they are on it. It's for Krista Dorsher, I think's the name on it. No, Miranda Dorsher.
No, we have it dispatched to our shop. My shop manager, he knows to get that completed today. He knows that you guys need to pick this up tomorrow.
I have a concert to be at prior tomorrow. It done today so I can pick it up and get it ready for leaving tomorrow. If I drive all the way to El Reno, which is an hour and a half away, and bring it back and get it ready, that's another hour and a half. And then I have to get it ready, that's an hour. And then it's almost 2 hours to Pryor to Rocklahoma. Oh, 3 hours. I'm going to miss half my concerts that's on Friday. 3-day event, man. We paid over $1,200 for these tickets. I'm not like trying to rush you, I'm just trying to say, hey, can we please get it today? And we will never talk to you guys again. Ever. Promise.
I hear you, and I do have a question.
Yes.
I understand that you're frustrated with this whole process, and I don't blame you. But I am willing to eat all of your work and repairs if you're willing to remove the one-star Google review.
No. Just get it done. That has passed. I am sorry, but... And there'll be more reviews coming up if this thing ain't done by the end of the day.
Listen, I really am trying to understand where you're coming from. I am the service department. I am willing to help you.
Okay.
If you're willing to help my service department. Because my service department doesn't make up how extended warranty works. Okay? And I do...
Here, let me say this. If you guys get it done, and we come pick it up today, then I'll work with you.
Okay. I do appreciate that because, again, I
That's all I got to say. I don't really have anything else to say. The whole deal is that stuff was wrong with it when you guys had it. We only used this thing once.
I understand. I have to go based off of the documentation that I do have to prove that it was working when you guys did take it. But I will make sure that it is done for you today, and when you come in, I would like to work with you on your Google review. Please.
So that Google review is talking about you guys as the service center and not the actual PPL as a RV sales department?
Correct.
I don't know. We'll just go rent a different RV because I'm not taking that down. Because I already asked you guys several times about this. I was just wanting you to fucking at least work with me in the first place. And that's what it took, was a 1-star review on your perfect 100% recommendations to buy something there. Well, I want the people that if you think that review's bad, you should see the YouTube channel. You should see my fucking Twitter. You should see my Instagram. I am an influencer. I am pissed. I bought that RV to prove to people that you could do RV share without people screwing up your RVs. And the RV place that sold me the RV screwed me over. So you tell me how much this is going to blow up, and I'll just rent a different one. Thank you. I'm shaking. I'm so fucking pissed off right now. Can you tell everybody that we're good people because we finally want to take care of everything for you since you were pissed off? What the fuck? Is this really what it takes for people to treat you decently? Check this Google review out. It was a Facebook review, and this is what I put. If you let them, they will talk you into an inspection for $700 and $6,000 warranty. Then the first time you take it camping and find out even though everything works, the AC blows out heat and AC at the same time, making day camping a sweaty mess. The generator, after you get it started, works, but getting it started is an issue. Needed a new carburetor. Neither thing found during inspection, so not only did they have to take my RV to them to do service less than a month after purchase, I have to pay for the repairs because warranty says that is maintenance. So I guess it's supposed to be a money pit right from the dealer. I guess if you want some paper plates with RV pictures on them for $1 each, they'd be the place to go, but getting what you were told you're getting, nope, that's considered maintenance. And then they responded, which this kind of pissed me off. They responded, Randall, we acknowledge your continued frustration regarding the extended warranties classification of certain repairs as maintenance and the subsequent costs incurred. We can confer the AC and generator were in working order at the time of our inspection, and we have video documentation to support this. Please understand that while we facilitate the purchase of extended warranties, and the terms and conditions, including the definitions of what constitutes maintenance versus repair and the extent of coverage, are solely determined by the third-party warranty provider and are outside of our control as a dealership. We strongly encourage all customers to thoroughly review their extended warranty contracts to understand these details at the time of purchase. We remain committed to assisting you within our scope of abilities and would be happy to review the details with you to help clarify the situation. Please contact us to schedule a time to discuss this further. And I just got off the phone with them when they were trying to tell me that, and then I read this and I got mad. This is my response. That's the problem. You see, maybe we didn't catch that maybe you didn't catch that during inspection. Maybe we didn't notice it until we used it the first time camping. We've had this thing for less than 30 days, and we're telling you, hey, things were wrong with it, so fix it. And since the warranty won't cover it, you're just going to make me pay for it. Thank you very much. So, yeah, when I called her back, this is what I said. Hey, Rachel, this is Randall. I think I just talked to you.
Yes, sir.
I just want to come get the RV. I'll fix it my fucking self. Yeah, I can spend $50 for the parts and fix it myself. And I would have done that if I didn't have the service contract and all that crap that I spent $10,000 for, thinking that, oh, the RV place has my back. I am not going to do business with you ever again. The review is staying up, and we're going to continue to make reviews on you guys. I just want my RV back so I can fucking fix it myself today, and tomorrow I can go.
Okay, Rainbow, if that's what you want to do, that's fine.
You're not going to take that money out of my bank that I signed for, are you?
No, sir. I'm not an evil person.
All right. Can I come get the RV now?
Okay. Yes, sir. I will let my technicians know to get that unit ready for you, okay?
What are they getting ready? Supposedly they've had 3 weeks to mess with it, and they just now started on it. Why are they getting it ready? Did they tear something apart, or?
No, it means just getting the unit ready to be pulled out of the lot for you.
Okay. I wanted to make sure that they haven't like worked on it or nothing, because I know how valuable y'all's money is, and I'm just gonna go do it myself. You know, I can spend 3 hours and save $600. And I'm just so, oh man. But we'll head down that way and get it. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Fix it my own goddamn self.